I have never worked with copper piping before. All of the piping in our house is CPVC, so I have no experience with this. And so I've just looked on YouTube for how to do any of this. And basically YouTube will teach you just about how to do anything if you have some skills. So here we go.
We are Kyle and Nicole, avid travelers from Michigan. In 2021, Kyle quit his job and we have been traveling across North America in our travel trailer while I continue to work full-time from the road. We love to create content showing amazing destinations, things to do, free camping spots, and RV life. We hope you will like, subscribe, and comment on our videos and join us for these fantastic adventures. You never know where we will pop up next.
So while driving today, we noticed the bracket holding our propane line up had broken, causing the line to fall down. We temporarily zip tied it up to our water line so we could continue our drive, and when we got to our destination, the line then ended up breaking apart. We are still in Mexico, so it will be fun to try and get this fixed.
Since using our stove is not an option, we go to plan B. It is a new day here in Guerrero Negro, and we are going to have for the first time what we hear are the best fish tacos in all of Baja. Lucky for us, I was able to find a hardware store in this town, so we are going to see if they have some things we need to repair our line. And also, hopefully they speak a little bit of English, otherwise we will be using Google Translate.
Just got back from the hardware store, picked up this flaring tool, get our propane line all fixed up. Has everything we need. Also comes with a cutter to cut the line so I can get a nice flare on the end. Hopefully it gets us going. So what has happened here, there was a bracket right here that held this propane line up. And through the course of driving down the roads in Mexico, the line popped out of the bracket, put some stress in the flexible copper line that's supposed to attach right here, and ended up putting a crimp in the line, and over time it snapped it clean off. So I'm attempting to repair it. Now I am cutting the end off, a little cutter here. And this way I can put a new flare on the end. Cut the end off. That's important to put on before you put your flare on. Otherwise you're going to make another cut. There goes nothing. It's at the end, so that's probably it. So I've got a flare on the end now. Seems to be kind of okay. Now we're going to line these back up, get them supported, and reconnect them. This is currently zip tied to our water line. Definitely that is not a permanent solution, so get those out of the way. And I had to buy a new bracket. That's going to go here. So we're going to put that back on before we continue on any further. We'll turn on the propane. I'm not a professional, even if I was. Check for leaks. We use this as dish soap. As you can see, it's a little bubbly already. The concept is you want to see new bubbles being made. So this isn't the ideal solution for this, but it's what we have. So the concept is you will look past the bubbles that are already there and you will look for new bubbles as the gas were to come out. You should be able to see it. If you're incredibly brave or really stupid, you could check your work with a lighter. 100% don't do that. Everything seems to be good now. I added a few extra brackets with some self-tapping screws to support the line, and I've also zip tied it in place where I could. We'll see how this holds up. Hopefully it's good and we don't have to do it again.